Welcome back. And so in this video we're going to create and place the basketball. Okay, so again in the handle tab function we're just going to type let ball, okay, equals scn sphere, so sphere. Now recall what we said scn sphere is. We've said that scn sphere is a function which takes in one argument, okay, and the argument is just the radius of the sphere. Okay, and so for the radius we're going to pass in the value 0.15. Okay, and so now that we've created a ball, let's create a ball material, or let's create the material for the ball. And so what we're going to write is this: let material, okay, equals scn material. Okay, and so now that we've created a material, let's set the basketball skin to be the material. And so to do this, we just have to write material, okay, dot diffuse, okay, dot contents equals UI image. Okay, and so UI image is a function which takes in one argument, and the argument is just the name of the image or the location of the image. Okay, and so we're just going to write named. Okay, and because our image is in the 2D assets folder, we're just going to write the name of the image. Okay, and so we're just going to write basketball skin, okay, dot png. Okay, so basketball skin dot png. Now let's make sure that's correct. Okay, so basketball skin. Okay, great, that's correct. Okay, so before we move on, I'm just going to explain what the diffuse and contents properties are. Okay, so the diffuse property deals with how lighting is rendered on the material, okay, and the contents property deals with the actual appearance of the material. Okay, and so because we've accessed the contents property, we're then able to set the image of the material. Okay, and so now that we have done this, let's add the material to the ball. Okay, and so all we're going to write is this: we're going to write ball dot material, okay, equals, then a square bracket for an array, and then material. Okay, and now that we have created the ball and the material, let's create a ball node. Okay, so we're going to write let ball node equals scn node. Okay, and recall what you said. We've said that scn node is a function which takes in one argument, and the argument is the geometry, so geometry. Okay, and for the geometry of the ball node, we're just going to pass in the ball, okay, because this is the geometry. Okay, ball. Okay, so again, before we move on, I'm just going to explain why we have created a scn node. Okay, so in order to set the position of any object in augmented reality, that object must be a node. Okay, and so right here, the ball isn't a node, it's just a geometry. Okay, and so that's why we have created a ball node, okay, which is of type scn node. Okay, and so because we have the ball node, we're now able to position the ball. Okay, and so to position the ball, we're just going to write ball node dot position, okay, equals camera position. Okay, and so now that we've set the position of the ball, let's add it to the scene. Okay, and so to add any object to the scene or any node to the scene, we have to write scene view dot scene dot root node dot add child node. Okay, and recall what we've said. We've said that add child node is a function which takes in one argument, and the argument is just a node to be added to the scene. And so we're just going to type in ball node. Okay, and this is great. This is really good. So what's going to happen now is this: when we run the game and tap on the screen, okay, a ball is going to be created, okay, and the ball is going to be positioned on the camera's position, okay, and this is going to be the center of the screen. So let's just run the game and let's see what we've created. Okay, so we have the backboard, and let's tap on the screen. Okay, okay, so I'm tapping on the screen and nothing is happening. I understand why. So let's just pause the game and I'll show you. So the camera orientation. So in the earlier video, we realized, or we found out, that the camera's orientation is reversed. Okay, and so what we need to do is to add the minus operator. Okay, so add the minus operator to the camera's orientation. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so now let's rerun the game. Okay, and what's going to happen now is that when we tap on the screen, the ball will actually be created and positioned at the actual camera position. Okay, so let's tap on the screen now. And there we go. And there we go. And what we can see is that the ball is being positioned at the camera's center point. Okay, and you know, this is good. This is really good. But wouldn't it be better if we could apply a force to the ball? It would, right? And so to do this, we need to add a physics body. Okay, and so this is what we're going to do in the next video. Okay, and so this is the end of this video, and I'll see you all in the next. Thank you.